Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to answer questions in Brainly. First of all, launch open Brainly application. You can see over here Brainly application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to answer the questions, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply go to the community. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options like search, notes, home, community and profile. Tap on the option community that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the community interface. You'll be able to see various questions posted in the community over here. You can also filter the questions if you want. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option filter questions that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to filter the question by school level. Also, you'll be able to filter by the subject if you want. So what you have to do is simply tap on the filter that you would like to apply and tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the question will be filtered according to your choice. So what you have to do is simply see all the questions. Now find the question that you would like to answer. Make sure not to provide any wrong answer. So be confident regarding the answer to that particular question. Now after you find the question that you would like to answer, what you have to do is tap on that particular question. Now what you have to do is simply wait for a while. You can also read the full question over here. So in order to answer it, what you have to do is tap on this option add your answer that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to answer the question. Simply enter your answer over here. Now after you enter the answer, what you have to do is simply hit the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your answer will be posted. You can also see the points over here. So like this, you'll be able to answer the questions on Brainly. So that is how you answer questions on Brainly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.